When everything is on, we light a candle. We're breathing really slow with artists. We're waiting for the dawn with empty bottles. You turn around when I wanna kiss. I try to reach you, but that's nothing new. I kinda know, 'cause you turn around when I wanna kiss. Oh, don't bring me waterfalls. Say what you're looking for. I'll hit you like a domino. Whoa, open your eyes, I'll prove what's standing in front of you. We'll hit you like a domino. If silence what you are, then please remember, my kiss will not be hanging forever. Craving for your love since last November, but you turn around when I wanna talk. Oh, when you need me, time has changed. Maybe I'm the one being silent when you just wanna talk. Oh, don't bring me waterfalls. Say what you're looking for. I'll hit you like a domino. Oh, open your eyes, I'll prove what's standing in front of you. We'll hit you like a domino. You once told me you had fallen in love, in love. We were meant to be against all odds. To reach you, but that's nothing new. I kinda know, 'cause you turn around when I wanna kiss. Oh, don't bring me waterfalls. Say what you're looking for. I'll hit you like a domino. Whoa, open your eyes, I'll prove what's standing in front of you. We'll hit you like a domino. If silence what you are, then please remember, my kiss will not be hanging forever. Craving for your love since last November, but you turn around when I wanna talk. Oh, when you need me, time.
Hey everybody, look who's here. My mom. And them. We are heading from Phoenix to Texas.
And we haven't gone very far yet.
And my mom has joined us on the adventure. Say hi to the world.
Hi, world. Road trip.
Road trip. So we're gonna go today to Carlsbad, New Mexico, and then to Abilene, Texas, and then to Austin, Texas, and then to Conroe, Texas.
And play the whole way.
We're gonna have fun. So here's our first stop. The LDS MESA Temple grounds, where they've decorated for Christmas with the 3 wise men. And it's really pretty here with green grass. If you've ever been to the desert, green grass is a major deal. Isn't it pretty? Wave.
Oh, hi.
Wave, Miles. So our plan is we're going to be going tomorrow to Carlsbad Caverns. It's the biggest cave in North America. It's the largest big room. I'm really excited about it. We're going to hit a lot of LDS temples on our route because Haleigh has a goal to take a picture in front of as many temples as she can for her youth group. They have these goals for her youth group called Personal Progress, and so she's working on that. And we're going to see 3 today, which is good because it's a Sunday and I feel bad we're skipping church. So, well, today we're going to see 3.
No.
And we saw 1 yesterday, so in the weekend you saw 4. That's pretty good. So we're going to hit the road. Today we've got a 9-hour drive ahead of us.
Where are we going?
It's the microphone.
Sounds like Jesus.
Behold, the wilderness was pierced my side, also the prints of the nails in my hands and feet.
Temple.
Use complete sentences.
I don't know what it's called. The Arizona Temple? I think it's baby Jesus. Someone stole baby Jesus. Who stole baby Jesus? We are at the Mesa Temple and baby Jesus is gone.
He's
Someone
what?
kidnapped him.
There's no Jesus in there. They did. Someone took it.
Oh no.
Where's baby Jesus? Where are the parents looking?
Where's Jesus?
The wise men are praying to the
I
lights.
wonder how many times I have to replace
Maybe they take them in at night to protect them.
Jesus.
The gate over here, Mom.
No, there's more over here.
The gate over here.
Gave us.
here. I bet this is pretty.
Grandma, that's what you gave us.
I know, I love them. They're bigger.